Hey everyone, learn how to change the font size of Instagram. So we will open the Instagram, and when we go to the settings, we don't have any option to increase or decrease the font size in Instagram app. So, in order to change it, we need to change the display font size of the Android phone or the iPhone. So, to do that in I'm sorry, in Android phone, we need to go to the settings. And here I'll show you where exactly we need to go. Once we are here in the settings, we need to go to display and then look for anything which says font size or style. So, we will click on that. And here we have this font size. So I'll just switch to the app first. You can see the size of the font right now, and I'll change it to the bigger, and that's it. Now, if I'll go back to Instagram, you can see the size has been increased, right? So this is how you can change the font size of any app in Android phone. So please subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.